Well, good morning everyone. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Financial Education. So guys, really important week this week. Today is the 12th of the 12th. So we have, I'm just going to show you the time there. Yeah, it's 12th of the 12th, 2016. It's 7:30 in the morning. London Stock Exchange and European markets are going to open in about 30 minutes time. Well, I was looking at economic calendar. There's a lot of news, a lot of stuff happening, a lot of news are coming out. It's gonna be really tricky week coming up to Christmas. But at the same time, I think the markets are still actually due a correction. When I say correction, they should fall before they rise up again. So now I'm going to show you some analysis. What do I believe where the markets are going to go? First of all, we will start with Euro versus GBP. So let me just show you here. Like, I have entered my trade at that price, which is 0.84837, and around that price at the moment it is trading at 0.8382, as you can see here where my cursor is. So it is trading that low at the moment. Yes, we are losing in around 2% at the moment. If it closes a really good green bar and it closes a bullish bar, then yes, means we will stay in that trade and maybe for about another week or so and see where the euro goes. Euro against GBP should actually rise, even though GBP's taken slight turn there, and it's after going up in the last few weeks, not massively, but it's gone up, but that they're due a correction as well. So this is the situation with Euro versus GBP. We have got our support level at 0.83196. It should actually bounce from there and rise back up, and if it doesn't, it drops below. Unfortunately, we got to close our trade and we got to take a hit, but it's only 3%, so we don't mind. So now we're looking at Euro versus USD. Well, this market again, it was on its way up, as you can see here. It took a turn on the 25th of 11th, a couple of weeks back, and it starts to go up, and we were waiting on an entry around here to place a short trade, but unfortunately it already taken a turn. But then we've got a really strong support level there. After the Mario Draghi's speech last week, euro has turned against every single currency out there. Euro has declined overall, and now we're waiting on some sort of correction in order for us to get involved on euro against USD and play short trade. As you can see here, we've got a support level there. We've got a really small internal support there. We see what will happen. The market hasn't closed below that point. If it does rise back up there and turn back around, we will be placing trade in around that price in order to capture maybe a few hundred points. Because this trend is overall bearish, we are not going to go against the trend. That is why we're waiting on a right moment to get involved and maybe place our trade and capture some profit. So we'll wait and see what happens, and once we place a trade, we will notify our students, our members, and members will know what time and what price we be getting in and getting out. Well, let's talk about US dollar versus Japanese yen. Overall, US dollar was declining. These are the lines I've drawn when I was doing analysis a couple of weeks ago. We still haven't got any turn whatsoever. Completely bullish. It hasn't given us any reversal trend whatsoever. As you can see here, that was the US election time in around 9th of November, and after that it's kept on going up. It hasn't coming back at all, and it's not even giving us any signal that it will come back. So it is pretty scary. As you can see, RSI is trading quite a high and around 83 at the moment. It's trading on 76, so it's fairly bullish. we are not gonna get involved, and it's unexpectedly, we were not expecting in only few weeks to be rising that much. But obviously US election has changed pretty much the whole momentum of the markets. So that is what's happening with US dollar versus Japanese yen. Again, we are not going to get involved unless we get a perfect entry. If we got a perfect opening level, then and only then we get involved. Well, as I already had predicted last couple of weeks ago, that it should take a turn in around that price, but obviously it took a turn well before that. Within literally last week, it has rose few hundred points. Now today's bar is fairly important. As you can see here, it is trading on 6963, depend on what price it closes at. We have got a support level at 7043, then we have another support level at 7099. I genuinely believe the market should drop this week because it is very hectic week. The US Fed reserves are coming out on Wednesday, and tomorrow they'll be in meeting from tomorrow till Wednesday, and they are expecting to rise the interest rates, and that would have a major impact on the markets. So these are the trades that we are waiting on. However, I still believe before Christmas, or just few days before Christmas, markets should rise and we should be able to capture a few hundred points. We call it Santa rally, and hopefully Santa will bring some good rally for us, so we will capture a few quid and capture a few pips in our accounts. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching this clip. If you like what you see, do not forget to subscribe. Again, I'm fairly happy the way everyone is subscribing every single week, and look, if there's anything I can do in order to help you, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to email me. I'll be more than happy to help you. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.